The container is lifted slowly to maintain balance.
Salt water drains out through the seams.
The container is set down evenly.
The lock is fully seized with corrosion.
The lock is cut using steady pressure.
The doors are opened with controlled force.
The container is now open.
Visibility is limited inside.
The vehicle outline is visible.
The paint surface shows heavy oxidation.
Chains are secured to the frame. Tension is adjusted evenly. The car is lifted clear of the container. The car is placed onto the cradle. Fresh water rinses surface salt. The underside is rinsed thoroughly. Loose residue is brushed away.
Transport straps are tightened.
The vehicle is moved carefully. The car is brought into the workshop.
The lift arms are aligned.
The door is opened carefully.
Seat bolts are loosened. The seat is removed from the cabin.
Loose debris is removed.
The interior condition is inspected.
Big day. And they're sitting back. I think that's when we're walking in it.
Careful cleaning reveals the true condition of the metal beneath. Every internal channel must be completely clear. Precision starts with careful inspection.
Each bearing must seat perfectly.
Alignment is everything at this stage. Correct torque protects the engine for decades. Every piston is prepared with care.
Lubrication ensures a smooth first movement.
This step demands patience.
Consistency matters across every cylinder. Clean surfaces ensure a proper seal. Accuracy prevents future failure. This is a defining moment.
Even pressure protects the engine.
Smooth movement starts here.
Each valve must move freely.
Proper seating ensures longevity.
Protection during first rotation is critical. Patience prevents damage. Correct timing is essential.
Sealing keeps the engine protected.
Even pressure ensures no leaks. Oil flow is the engine's lifeline. Preparation prevents future issues. Every seal must be perfect. Free movement confirms correct assembly. Preparation defines the finish.
Primer creates the foundation.
Uniform coverage signals readiness.
Careful alignment ensures a stress-free installation.
Proper mounting protects the drivetrain. Smooth engagement prevents internal damage.
Balance tightening keeps rotation smooth. Proper sealing improves performance. Cooling stability is essential. Secure fuel delivery ensures safety. Correct routing avoids future faults. Power returns to the system. Fresh fluids protect moving parts.
Air-free lines restore braking confidence.
Balanced wheels ensure smooth driving. Interior comfort meets craftsmanship. Secure seating completes the cabin.
Details define the experience.
Clear vision completes the cabin. Cleanliness highlights every surface.
The moment of truth arrives. Smooth operation confirms success.
Stable readings ensure reliability.
Proper alignment feels solid.
Smooth motion reflects proper assembly.
Reflections reveal surface perfection. Natural light confirms the finish.
Restoration is complete.